Hi there, and welcome to the Mobile School Playground. Today I want to introduce to you the Influencer Do-It-Yourself game. With this game, you'll be able to open up a discussion with your target group about different influencers, characteristics or topics that impact your personal development or your personal behavior. Now, what do you need to play this influencer game? You will need the influencer rotation disc, which you see over here. You'll need a dice, and then you will need the influencer game board printed on a magnetic panel. Besides this, you'll also need chalk and bottle caps. If you've collected all these items, you're ready and set to go, so let's have a look at how to play the game. In order to start the game, you'll need to divide the group in two teams. Now, each team will get a bottle cap, and we'll start over here at the beginning of the game. Now, the main objective of the game is to reach the finish line as soon as possible and to complete tasks along the way to gain some influencer stars. So, the first team will spin the disc and will move a number of spaces forward. Let's say 4 spaces, 1, 2, 3, 4. And you'll see that I land on a colored square. In this case, a green square. But you also have pink squares, orange squares, and blue squares. These squares refers to several tasks you need to do along the way which will allow you to gain some influencer stars. The green squares refer to roleplay, miming. The pink squares refer to what is the consequence of a specific thing, what happens next. The orange square is about give your opinion or express yourself about a certain topic. And the blue squares with the pencil is that you need to draw something. So we are standing on square number 4, which is a roleplay task. But in order to determine the topic of my roleplay, I'll need to go to the influencer rotation disc, which you see over here. And on the disc, there are 6 different topics. For example, over here, it starts with internet and technology and social media, which you see over here. At the bottom of the disc, you can find role models and social relationship and different religious figures. Here in the blue square, you'll find different foods and drinks. Here on top, you can find an influencer square with everything that has to do with money, like for example, gambling or online shopping. Here at the top, you'll see substance abuse, such as alcohol, drugs, or cigarettes. And here, to conclude, in the green square, you will find some influencers that are related to body and your health. So I need to complete a green task, which is roleplay. So I will spin the influencer disc and it will land on a specific topic. Here it's the money topic, so I need to do a roleplay which is related to money. For example, I can do a role play where I enact a person that is a shopaholic and that buys a lot of stuff. So if my team members can guess the situation I just enacted, then we get an influencer star. And we can draw it over here. If we were successful, you can also climb the ladder to the next square over here. It works in 2 directions. Imagine that you're standing over here. You need to complete a task as well. And if your team is not able to complete that specific task, you will fall down the ladder and you need to start from here again and continue your path along the game board. So the winner of the game is the team which arrives first at the finish line at square number 100 over here and that has gained the most influencer stars along the way. If you don't have the time or you don't feel like playing the entire influencer game board, you can also just use the rotation disc as a separate panel and just start a discussion with the players about the different influencers. Also be aware that on the disc you see many different images, but of course you can come up with many more topics or many more things that can influence your personal life or your personal behavior. So feel free to adapt the disc and the discussion as well to your local context. So we'll hope you'll have fun with this influencer game on the streets. Keep us posted how the street sessions went and have fun. See you soon.